All right, Brett Lawler, home team inspection. Betty writes in she had her air ducts cleaned in her condo recently, and then everything seemed to be good. But there's now a whirling noise coming from the area of the HVAC unit in the attic. It's a kind of a high-pitched noise, she says, and it can be very annoying. And she's wondering, what's it coming from, and could it have started from the air duct cleaning? Brad, how about that?
Well, it could have come from the air duct cleaning. One of the things that you need to know when you're having your air ducts cleaned is ask your contractor how they're going to do it, because many of them use high pressure air and they just blow things loose. They do not vacuum anything out. They basically just push everything to one end of the system and pull it out there. So it's possible that something did get into the fan. I mean, it's probably not likely. It's more likely that she has some sort of a bearing that's going out in the fan motor. Either case, I would definitely contact the HVAC company to come out and take a look at it, because it could be a very, very simple minor problem. It may just be the technician vacuums that fan off, or it's a fan motor replacement. But again, that's a relatively inexpensive repair compared to the entire system.
No kidding. When you are bringing in an HVAC company, make sure you check their reviews to make sure that they're worthy. We've got a list of people. If you ever want to get in contact with me, I'll give you my number and you can ask who we would recommend. And what's very important to check reviews, and you'll see this. This is really a good way to get into the fact that we've got some great reviews, and I'd love for all of you to read our reviews. Go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com, and you can read some of the reviews of our Sokoler team.